Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the program cannot start because api-ms-win-1-1-0.dll is missing from your computer. So I will show you guys best solution to fix this problem, and after this video your problem is fixed. So make sure you watch the whole video. First open up the any browser and here in the search box just type the DLL files, and now open up the first website which says the download missing DLL files. And now here click on the search for your missing DLL files and just type here the api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll. After typing it, just hit the enter and you will see the first file which has the same. So now you can just open that and just scroll down and you will see it's two versions. So first is for the 64-bit and second is for the 32-bit. So you need to download the two. First you need to identify what your system type is. Go to the Windows search and type the about your PC. And now you can open that. And now here you will see the your system type. Either it is the 64-bit or the 32-bit. So after you see it, now you can close it, and for the 32-bit user you need to only download the 32-bit file, and for the 64-bit user you need to download these two files, which is the 64-bit and the 32-bit. So now just click on this download option to download this file. Now here you will see your download will start in the seconds. Just wait for it to download this file, and now you can go back and also download the second file, which is the 32-bit file. So now you'll see it will start downloading, and after these files are downloaded, now you can just drag and drop these files into your desktop. So after you drag and drop these files, now you can just close it, and now you can right click on your 32-bit file and you will see the option to extract here. So now right click on 64-bit file, click on the extract here and also delete the second file. Now right click, go to the new and click on the folder. Now here you can name it the 64-bit, and now you can drag and drop this 64-bit file into the 64-bit folder and also create the folder which is for the 32-bit file. So after you name it, you also need to drag and drop this file and also need to extract the 32-bit file. After extracting the 32-bit file, now you can drag and drop this 32-bit file into the 32-bit folder. So after that, now you can just go to the Windows search and type the file explorer. Now you can open that. And now here you need to scroll down and go to the local disk C where your operating system is installed, and open up the Windows folder and scroll all the way down and you'll see the folder name system32. So now you can open it, and here now you can drag and drop the 32-bit file into the system32, and this is for the 32-bit users. For the 32-bit user you need to only drag and drop the 32-bit file into the 32 system32 folder, and for the 64-bit user you need to drag and drop the 64-bit file into the system64 and scroll down and open up the syswow 64-bit folder and also drag and drop this 32-bit file into the syswow 64-bit folder. So this is for the 64-bit user. So now here you will clearly see the 64-bit user. You need to drag and drop the 64-bit file into the system32 and the 32-bit file into the syswow 64-bit folder. And for the 32-bit user, you need to drag and drop the 32-bit file into the system32. So after this process, now you can just restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is 100% fixed. So if yes, please don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe to our channel, and if there is any problems coming, then make sure you comment and I will try my best to assist you.